Reacting from a sense of urgency is probably the biggest enemy of any good developer. Hey everyone, I'm Michael. I'm a professional software developer for 25 years and a consultant running a firm called Coexius. I like to talk about how good everyday life practices like balance and mindfulness intersect with our professional lives as well. Today's fit, Toy Story, and I want to talk about reactivity. I am not talking about any particular software framework or anything like that. No. I'm going to be talking about us, the people who write software, the people who do things professionally. When a problem occurs, we tend to just react and throw ourselves into it. And honestly, I feel like that makes us a lot less effective than if we are slowing ourselves down just a little bit. I know if you've been working professionally in software, you've experienced a situation where you have gotten the Slack messages that the whole system is down and you've got to do something about it right now, or at least you feel that you have to do something about it right now, right? Everyone's depending on you. You create this whole story in your head about the urgent issue that's going on at that time. And I've done it so many times for so long. Then a couple years ago, I started to learn more about myself. See, I was doing that same thing in my everyday life. I was really good at triage. I was really good at responding to things in a crisis. And so naturally, because I was good at it, everything became a crisis. And it's really not fun when your life is just one crisis to the next, to the next, to the next. And it took me a very long time to realize that it was me creating that mentality because of how I was reacting to any given situation. I learned along the way that that reaction was something I'd gotten used to, but that's not what we're supposed to do. What we would do to be more effective is to slow down, to give ourselves a breath, to think about how to respond as opposed to just reacting to a given situation. So when you take a moment to pause and think before you act, it creates a much more effective response to the entire situation that you're facing. And you can practice this not just in emergency situations or in work situations, but you can practice with every situation you face when you get something unexpected. Go ahead and take a minute to think. Let me know if this helped you.